What's up, guys? It's the Fixbroz. Today we're looking at the auction and the cars are going for super cheap. Check this out. Look at this, 80 bucks for this. See how much it goes for.
So we thought we might go fix the Civic today, but unfortunately we couldn't because it's raining today. So we decided why not make a quick little video of watching the auction. Guys, should we get a Ford Focus for the next rebuild project? Comment below. We want to get a Ford Focus ST or something.
Sold.
2016.
Guys, comment down below if you would get this for $10.
Pure sale. Pure sale for $10.
It's run and drive. $10. Would you guys get this? Comment down below.
$10 plus auction fees is probably gonna be like all for $300. It's pretty cool. You can just get this car, have fun crashing it around into trees. That would actually be a pretty cool thing to do, like just crash it into trees and stuff. Get one of these and just destroy it.
$10. Somebody just got this car for $10.
Comment below what we should get. We're thinking maybe Ford Focus for the next rebuild project, if we will get a car. If we're gonna be looking. Ford Focus, maybe a Yaris. Yeah, this is like a dream project car. 16,000. Hate when it's on approval.
That's
sold on approval.
A lot of money. Guys, comment down below if we should get a Prius for $15. I wouldn't take
Dude,
this.
$15 for a Prius. Toyota Corolla Matrix for $10, but it's on approval, so they're not gonna give it away like that. $10.
Bonus time.
This is pretty good. A lot of cars are going for cheap. Imagine if this goes for $10 right now.
That pure sale, dude. I'm excited for this one.
$15.
Bonus time.
I hate bonus
And this
time.
back picture. That's pretty cool. It's in good shape.
It's a base model, but it looks pretty good. Small damage.
Sold on approval.
Let's see how much this one goes for.
$20. Dude, this is a good deal. Somebody gets it for cheap.
$200.
Wait a minute, is it repairable or is it non-repairable? Check the title.
Salvage.
Yeah, so it's salvage, so you can fix this. Put it back to the road. 100 would be a really good deal.
If somebody takes this, just imagine selling all the parts. Each door would be at least $200. So that one that went away for $100, that's a really good deal. If you part that car out, get so many good parts. Imagine $100 for a whole car. Probably has a good engine, probably a good interior, all the rear end parts, side parts. The front end, it's crashed. Maybe one fender is good. That car was a good deal. It's fixable too.
For $10.
Let's see how much this goes.
Okay, pure sale, $10. On the back picture, $15.
Guys, there's some good deals here today. $15
$15 pure sale. Bam, done.
Imagine how many parts you could get from that.
Okay, pure sale for this Subaru. These are actually pretty cool. I like these.
This would probably be for parts.
I mean, you can fix this. This is still fixable. Come on, $10.
$10.
$10.
Run and drive. You could like have some fun with this car. It's run and drive. You know, pull the roof out, go for a ride, destroy it.
Bonus time.
Are you serious? More bonus time?
Guys, bonus time is.
I'm lying. Everybody says
that. Sold.
So let's see how much this Ford Flex goes for.
It's on approval.
2013 Ford Flex was only 20,000 miles, 19,200 miles. Runs and drives, just
But it's on
minor front end damage.
They won't let it go for 10.
Yeah, it's on approval. They're probably not gonna give it away for 10.
Imagine if this would be per sale, dude.
This is like free. If this goes like for $10, somebody takes it for $10. It's pretty much free.
But it's on approval.
Yeah, the one that went away just now for $10. Was it 10 or 15? The car that just went away for $15. That's a really good deal. Somebody got like a steal.
Bonus time.
But it's in Alaska, so if we were buying it, it would be really expensive to ship it here.
Sold on approval. End of auction.
Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos of the Civic, of fixing it, and subscribe to the channel, share this video, like this video, comment down below, and we'll see you guys next time.